Welcome, fellow explorers. Today we leave our solar system behind and glide into the unknown. I'm soaring high above HD 137010b, a frozen Earth twin, orbiting a gentle orange star just 146 light-years from home. Discovered in old Kepler data, this rocky world might hold liquid water beneath its icy shell, and perhaps life that dreams in the cold. Let's dive in. From up here, the planet gleams like a giant sapphire marble, dusted in frost. Endless snow plains stretch to the horizon, broken by jagged mountain ranges capped in eternal ice. The air is thin, crisp, biting. But imagine if a thick greenhouse blanket of carbon dioxide keeps pockets of warmth alive below. Look, there. Herds of luminous, bioluminescent sky whales drift on thermal updrafts, their translucent wings shimmering like northern lights as they filter microbes from the clouds. Gentle giants singing low songs that echo across the stratosphere. The sky whales' haunting songs create visible sound waves in the thin atmosphere, their bioluminescent patterns pulsing in harmony with their calls. Now we dive lower. The wind howls as we plunge toward the surface. Crystal canyons carve deep scars into the ice, their walls glittering with frozen waterfalls that never fully thaw, yet trickle with liquid water warmed by geothermal vents deep below. We skim past one now, roaring cascades of turquoise meltwater plunging into mist-shrouded lakes, where strange, furred amphibious creatures, ice bears with iridescent scales, lounge on rocky shores, their breath forming sparkling clouds as they hunt glowing fish beneath the ice. The ice bear's scales catch and reflect the dim starlight, creating prismatic rainbows across their fur as they move with surprising grace through the icy waters. Closer now, we skim the shores of a vast frozen lake, where delicate, feather-like plants, frost-ferns, bloom in riotous colors under the pale light, their leaves capturing every photon. Tiny winged insects, like living snowflakes, dance in swarms, their wings refracting the dim star into rainbows. And look, in the canyon shadows, herds of lumbering crystal-horned grazers, their bodies armored in reflective ice plates, migrate slowly across the snow, kicking up powdery drifts that sparkle like diamonds. The crystal-horned grazers move in ancient patterns, their reflective armor creating a moving constellation of light across the frozen landscape. As we rise again, the planet's beauty hits me. A world on the edge of habitability, cold yet defiant, perhaps cradling life in hidden oases. HD 137010b isn't just data. It's a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities. Who knows what we'll find when we look closer? If this icy dream excites you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What alien world should we visit next? Until then, keep looking up. This is your explorer, signing off from HD 137010B.